In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the space where you want to create your dashboard. Next, click the Create button and create a new page that will serve as your dashboard. Once the page opens, give it a clear title so team members can easily identify its purpose. After that, use page layouts to organize your dashboard into sections and columns. This helps keep information structured and easy to read. You can then begin adding content using Confluence macros. Add project updates, task lists, status reports, calendars, and other information that your team needs to see regularly. If you use Jira, you can insert Jira gadgets or issue lists to display live project data directly on your dashboard. You can also add tables, charts, links, images, and reports to provide a complete overview of your projects and team activities. As you build the dashboard, arrange each element so the most important information is easy to find at a glance. Once everything is in place, review the page and make any final adjustments to improve the layout and readability. When you're satisfied with the dashboard, click Publish to make it available to your team. Your dashboard will now serve as a central location for tracking updates, monitoring progress, and accessing important information. And that's it! You've successfully created a dashboard in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.